So, hello everyone, we are from the IT Children's School Chachaipar and we are going to present a presentation by class 7th. So, here is a group of the heart killer and they are going to present about the science. So, let's have a big round of applause for them. So, please welcome.
विज्ञान है हमारे जीवन का आधार। विज्ञान ने की हर कल्पना साकार। विज्ञान ने संसार को दिया एक नया अवतार। गुड मॉर्निंग वन एंड ऑल प्रेजेंट हियर। टुडे आई एम नैतिक शर्मा फ्रॉम द हार्ट गिलर ग्रुप हियर टू प्रेजेंट अ प्रेजेंटेशन ऑन द टॉपिक ऑफ साइंस. Let me thanks to ID Children's School principal sir and presentation in charge to give we that opportunity to give a presentation in the front of you. So first let me introduce the group members of my team: Anchal, Anurag, Subham, Aryan, Sivansh. Let me introduce our topic. So first of all, we talks about what is science. The systematic study of structure and behavior of the physical and natural world through observation, experimentation, and the testing of theories against the evidence obtaining. There are various branches of science, and each branch has its significance. Galileo Galilei is the father of modern science. Science had made our life easier and comforting. Science is unlimited, and it is for the betterment of mankind. Science helps us from many superstitious frauds. Thank you. Now I would like to Anurag to telling about disadvantages and advantages of science. So please Anurag come.
Hello everyone, I am Anurag from the Heart Killer Group is here to present a presentation on the topic of advantage and disadvantage of science. Advantage of science. Life is become easy and comfortable through science and technology. Traveling has become easy fast in minute. Communication is become easy, fast and cheaper. Standard of living has increased with increasing of technology. Man have become advanced by using new various technology. Due to the development of science, impossible become possible. Difficult things and work have become easy and comfortable to man due to science and technology. Life is become easy and stable.
Thank you Anurag. So now I would tell about daily usages of science in our life. We use car, bike or bicycle to go from one place to another. These all are invention of science. We use soap. These are given by science. We use LPG gas and stove etc. for cooking. These are inventions of science. Even the house in which we live is a product of science. The iron which we use to iron our clothes is a product of science. Even the clothes we wear is a product of science. Usages of science in multiple fields and industries: agriculture, medicines, transportation, communication, construction, and photography. I would like to call Sivansh to explain about physics. So please, Sivansh.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivan from 7th Standard Group of Heart Killer. I am here to present the topic of physics. There are two main branches of physics: modern physics and classical physics. History of physics. Discovery of physics find in application throughout the natural science and technology. Historical physics emerged from the scientifically revolution in 17th century, grew rapidly in 19th century. And then what was transformed by series in 20th discovery in 20th century. Important topic: motion, Newton law of motion, matter, atom. Classical physics, thermodynamic, magnet, gravitation. Thank you.
Thank you, Sivansh. Now I would like to call Subham to explain about chemistry. So please, Subham.
Hello everyone, myself Subham from the group member of the Heart Killer. I am going to say my presentation. So my presentation is chemistry. There are 5 main branches of chemistry: physical chemistry, organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, biochemistry. History of chemistry. Chemistry took its present scientific in the form of 18th century when careful quantitative experiments by laborious Sprouts and Dalton resulted in the law of multiple properties, which laid the groundwork Dalton atomic matter of theory.
Thank you, Subham. अब समस्याओं को निकालना चाहिए, हर छात्र में एक वैज्ञानिक होना चाहिए. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल आर्यन टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट. सो प्लीज आर्यन.
Hello everyone, myself Aryan. I am here to present my PPT on the topic of great scientists. So let's start with Srinivas Ramanujan. Srinivas Ramanujan was an Indian mathematician who had almost no formal training in pure mathematics. He made substantial contribution in mathematical analogy, number theory, infinite series, and continued fraction, including solution to mathematical problems then considered unsolvable. Second, C.V. Raman. Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was an Indian physicist known for his work in the field of light scattering using spectrograph, and he and his student K.S. Krishnan discovered that when the diffracted light travels from a transparent medium, it changes its wavelength and frequency. Third, Homi J. Bhabha. Homi Jahangir Bhabha was an Indian nuclear physicist who widely credited as the father of Indian nuclear program. Fourth, Salim Ali. Salim Mojibuddin Ali was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist, sometimes referred as the Birdman of India. Salim Ali was the first Indian to conduct systematic bird survey across India and wrote several bird book. Wrote se- Salim Mujibuddin Ali was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist, sometimes referred as the Birdman of India. Salim Ali was the first Indian to conduct systematic bird survey across India and wrote several bird books that popularized ornithology in India. Fifth and the last, Prafula Chandra Roy. Sir Acharya Prafula Chandra Roy was an Indian chemist, educationist, historian, industrialist, and philanthropist. He established the first model Indian research school in the field of chemistry. He is regarded as the father of Indian chemistry. Thank you.
Thank you, Aryan. Now I would tell about some great achievements of science: genome editing, CRISPR, RNA sequencing, the molecular structure of DNA, electricity, painkillers and antiseptics, vaccines, and our ability for teamwork. Now, I would concluding my presentation by an amazing experiment. Material required: sugar, glycerin, potassium permanganate, and a piece of paper. Method: place a piece of paper and then mix potassium permanganate sugar. After a while, mix glycerin in it. Conclusion: you will observe that the heat is generated in the form of bubbles or sometimes as fire. Thank you for watching our presentation.